warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, dear Sir Rizky Syafril, SHI MSI, as the lecturer of the Indonesian Legal System course, as well as my respect friends. First of all, let us give thanks for the presence of God Almighty, because by His grace and guidance we can gather here in good health. On this occasion, we will deliver a presentation on the existence of law in society and the history of its development. The presentation is the result of the discussion that we have done with my own group members, Muhammad Raja Atarik, Cinta Indah Amelia, Lailatul Rahmi, and Lady Adisti. Without delay, let's start this presentation. I hope that lecturers, and friends can provide input and response at the end of this presentation. History of legal development. Legal history is the study of how law developed and why it changed. Legal history is closely related to the development of civilization and is set in the context of broader social history. Among jurists and certain historians of legal process, it has been seen as a record of the evolution of law and technical explanation of how this law has evolved with a view to understanding the origin of various legal concepts. Some consider it a branch of intellectual history. Origin of legal history theory. Legal philosophy has developed from era to era, giving birth to many thought and philosophers. Philosophers have similar and difference according to the era and spiritual atmosphere. Although there are similar views from different eras, there are also differences between them in one era. This study is important to enrich the understanding of law in the past and present and provide insight for the future. The next material, Lailatul Rahmi.
Legal development in various periods. Greek times. In ancient Greece, legal philosophy developed from pre-Socratic to the Golden Age. Pre-Socratic philosophers focused on the universe and its origins. Just like Thales and Anaximander, Pythagoras, and Heraclitus did long completion to reach a conclusion. Roman period. Roman philosophers during the Roman era were not as influential as Greek philosophers. They contributed to positive law and maintained order in the empire. These include Polybius, Cicero, Seneca, and Marcus Aurelius. Medieval times. The Middle Age began after the fall of Rome in the 5th century. This period was marked by the triumph of Christianity and the development of Islam in Europe. Famous philosophers such as Augustine and Thomas Aquinas influenced thought by mixing and Greek concepts with the religious teaching. National law as good reason was used as good for human justice. Renaissance or New Age. The Renaissance was reborn. Human thought was free from religious ties. The church no longer had absolute power. Technology and the discovery of new continents developed rapidly, creating new discipline right. rationalist. In law, human reason was considered the sole source of law. Contrary to the previous view that saw reason as a manifestation of good, the rationalist and positive natural law schools emerged. In modern time, philosophers question the dependence of human on God's reason as in the Middle Ages. They believed that positive law so rely on human reason thought agreement to determine good. Described as the father of modern philosophy in influential law, the state, and the French Revolution. Present time, in the development of legal philosophy in modern time began in the 19th century. Rationalist development along with empirics. Famous philosophers of the era include Hegel, Karl Marx, Schelling, von Sackville, Engel, Jeremy Bentham, and John Stuart Mill. Hegel considered Kant's thinking and was an important figure in German idealism.
The next material that will be delivered by Lady Adisti.
Okay. Looking at the time period, the history of Indonesian legal system can be classified according to the time period into several phases. One pre-colonial phase, two colonial phase (POJ) period, three Dutch as English government, four government decisions, five government regulation, six Indian state regulation, seven Japanese military rule period, eight independence phase, nine Obeah. Next, law in Indonesia. One customary law before the arrival of colonial influence. Indonesian social life with the first customary law according to their respective tribe and tradition. Two, Dutch colonial law during the Dutch colonial period. The Indonesian legal system was heavily influenced by Dutch law, especially with the introduction of the Bangladesh Wetboek Civil Code and Wetboek Fines Traffic Criminal Code. Three, post-independence law. After independence, Indonesia attempted to establish a national legal system that combined elements of customary law, religious law, and colonial law. The Constitution is highest legal basis in Indonesia. Next, the existence law in society. Law is a set of rules that bind and complete society. Law regulations society by imposing sanctions to architects. The application of law must be careful to avoid conflict and damage in society. Local value must be taken in consideration in making law. Audacy in society influenced by structure, substantive rules on institutional behavior, and legal culture. The orientation of this factor in the application of law and public awareness of the rules. Violation of law are punished to encourage public obedience to the rules so that the function of law can be realized in society. Then, the function of law in society. The function of law is two of social control. Law functions of social control by setting limits communication, community behavior, it considered to violate the rules. For example, prohibition, even for cooperation and order. Law plays a role in controlling community behavior and working together with other social institutions. The passivity of law is also considered and adjusting to reality of society. According to Ahmad Ali, law does not work alone in maintaining social order. The function of law is the function of creating legal symbol is in simplify creating action or events so that the are easily understood and general. Legal symbols help communication and socialization of law between law enforcement and the public. This helps in implementing legal rules that are not in accordance with the law. Simulation is first step to ensuring and clear and universal understanding of legal action. C. The function of law as political instrument. Law is political to strengthen political power of activists and implementation of state law. Written law made according to procedure are politic messages, but after being implemented, they must be interpreted legally. Non-political law and politics cannot be separated in practice.
The next material that will be delivered by Cinta.
The function of law as a tool of engineering. This function is a means of social engineering to create change in society toward planned progress. Community life always experience rapid dynamic without static social groups. Society will experience change due to external and internal influence. Therefore, lawmakers must always follow legal development in society to reorganize community life in accordance with the goals and national development. E. Function of law as integrator. Law function to reduce conflict and facilitate social interaction, creating harmony in the interests of society. Other functions of law include advancing economic development, such as in the public law that regulate legal institutions to encourage economic development, and private law that regulate relations between economic actors, talk agreements or contract increase legal certainty. Here are some of the main role of law in society. 1. Keep order, protect human rights, resolving conflict, uphold justice, to impose sanction, managing social relationship, change and control behavior. Overall, law is key element in building and maintaining stability and justice in society. Conclusion. Law plays an important role in maintaining social order by regulating individual rights and obligations and become a guidance for behavior for social stability. Without law, it's difficult to achieve harmony because there are no boundaries between rights and responsibilities. Law also protects individuals from abuse of power and realize social justice. The history of law shows the development of natural laws into a legal system that's applied. Some Roman law which still exists today. Law always follows social, economic, and political dynamics and must adapt to development in technology, society, and the economy. Change in lifestyle, ethics, and peaceful behavior influence change in law order to maintain balance in modern society.
That's all the presentation from our group. Thank you and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.